Japanese rice mask for skin whitening. A magic recipe to lighten the skin in a short time. So here comes how to make face mask. To prepare this recipe, we need white rice. Cook rice in medium heat. Take half cup of cooked rice. Grind it. Make a creamy paste rice cream. Add 2 ts of milk. Add 1 ts of cornstarch. Mix the ingredients well. Cornstarch helps whiten the skin. Removes dirt and impurities from the skin. Cornstarch helps absorb oils and fats. Cornstarch can be used to lighten all dark areas of the body. Add 1 ts of coconut oil. Coconut oil reduces the appearance of dark spots on the face, which is caused by direct exposure to sunlight, and removes dead cells from the skin of the face. Add 1 ts of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients well. Lemon has the ability to lighten the skin and rid it of dark spots that appear on it. Lemon increases the freshness of the skin. Now we got the creamy mixture. Keep the mixture in clean container. You can store it in a refrigerator. Apply it on your face. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes to dry. Then wash your skin with warm water. Repeat this 3 times a week. You will get a great result. From the first use, you will get a clean and white skin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.